So a lot of people asking one question is called, how is increasing for Instagram followers? So that is called, now I'm selecting for this post here. Now, anyone we can sharing this option. First you can copy this link, this option. Select your Facebook. Copy the page link. This is a feature is not available by the mobile. Mobile only sharing by your Facebook profile only. Not for the page or not for any. They only share by your profile and storyline. But I can promoting where on your particular page. That is called, I'm selecting this option. Copy link. Select your post. Now it is showing for in this option. Okay. Now. Instagram. What other posting will be done? Select your website. And click for share. Now, your post is done. Exactly. Now, your post will be done by in this option. Now, your post will be reaching for in this option. Now, click this post. Look this one. They're going to where? They will show for images, everything. When you click image, they're going to where? Instagram. For the increase which one? Likes and your Instagram followers. The increase which one? Likes, Instagram followers. So these all concept will be done by mutual sharing for the every concept. So if you want to sharing for the Instagram post by your Facebook option, their benefit is called likes and increase the followers. Same like we can use the n number of options.